Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to start my new series of tutorial videos. This time is about how to create our own banner ads for our Unity games. I'm going to make my own advertisement system. It is not AdMob, it is not Unity ads, but my own ad network. Let's say just my custom. Let's say I'm going to make my custom advertisement for my own games. Example of banner ads is just like this. You can see AdMob example of banner ads. It is being displayed at the bottom area of the app, and I'm going to make something similar like this. I will start it from this empty folder on my htdocs folder in my computer, and I will start my local web server, start the Apache, start my SQL. And for the backend, of course we are going to use PHP. I will create an admin page first, admin.php. Here I will create basic PHP file, basic HTML file, type HTML, head, body, title, admin area. And inside this body I will write some PHP code. Here I will check if the admin is logged in or not. If session start at session admin then we will show echo admin area, else we should show the login form. And at the top of the document I will add this PHP code, session start. Okay, and I will test my admin.php file, admin.php page. Here admin.php, change this part to localhost. Oh, sorry, is set. If is set session admin. Okay, right now we are seeing this text login form, so I will replace this PHP. I will replace it with this HTML form never post. Let's add a title, login form. We add label, username, input, name, username, and we add another label, password, input, name, and we set the type to password, and then we add input type submit value login. And I will refresh the page. I can see it like this. Maybe I can add a CSS styling here. Style. I will style the label and input. Label input. Let's make it display block like this. And let's add margin bottom 0.5 em. Alright, for the sake of simplicity, I will hard code the username and password here. Username is admin and the password is 123. And here we are going to check inside this block. We will add if statement. If is set PHP post. If is set, let's add the name here. No. If is set post username, which means is there a form submitted with the name, username, password, and else and everything else. If there is a form submitted, we will check. If let's create a variable, username will be username, post username, and password this password is this password input field. And then we check if username equals to this username, the hard-coded username, which is admin, and we check also if the password equals to this hard-coded password. Then we will show a text echo login OK. Else we echo this text echo login fail. Alright, let's test it. We will type everything, anything here randomly like this. Click login and it says login fail. I'm going to add else statement here. If there is an input, if there is a form submitted, we will check the form value. Else, if there is no form in submitted, we will show the form itself. Okay, let me try again. I will type something, login fail, and let's try the correct admin and password 123. Login, it says login OK, but we are not logged in yet because we did not set the session. So here, if we enter the correct username and password, we will set the session username is the username. And then let me change it to this HTML code. Login, okay, and we add a text. You will be directed to admin area. Redirected, and I will add a JavaScript. We add a timer, set timeout function. Within 2 seconds we will be redirected to the admin area. Location.href admin.php. Okay, let's try to enter our login credential, admin, and the password 123. Click login. Login, okay, you will be redirected to admin area. Oh, hang on. Oh, sorry, I have to place this admin word here. Okay, let's try again. We enter 123 here and click login. Okay, now we are inside admin area, and because we are logged in, let's add a logout button. So here I will type HTML code admin area, and simply type please click here to log out, and we will make a link href question mark logout. Inside this if statement block, I will add this another if statement. If is set get logout, then we destroy the session destroy, then we execute. We will add this JavaScript code here, script set timeout session destroy. We type here you will be logged out, and let's try it. Click here to log out. Here we add else, and we place this code here. Let's try to log in again. Admin 123 login, update password. Click here to log out. We are logged out. Okay guys, maybe that's all for this video. We will continue it later, and see you soon on my next part of my tutorial series. Bye bye.